Other yogi, Virendra yogi, dedicated, committed, passionately, with a definite purpose in my life to be a true servant of the mankind. And in that video I want to share with you. Life is not a bed of roses, beloved friends. Life is really a big challenge. It demands a lot of wisdom, a lot of care and responsibility to live a wonderful life. What my wisest friend Hon'ble Emerson shared with us in his wonderful poem Success. To laugh often and much, to win the respect of the intelligent people and the affection of children, to earn the appreciation of the honest critic and betrayals of false friend, to appreciate beauty, to find the best in everyone, to leave the world a bit better, either by a healthy child, a garden patch, or redeem the social condition, and to discover that at least one life has breathed easier that you have lived. That is to have succeeded. Beloved friends, that's the goal of my life. That's the real purpose of my life. And I discovered the way how to really do all these what Hon'ble Emerson expected from us. There is only one way. That is the way of yoga. And what the modern and Western science says, developing the ability and capacity to take full possession of your own mind and control and direct towards attaining a definite purpose of your life, means you have to set a definite goal where you are going. And for this you need absolute control of your mind, and this may be the form of prayer for you, as did Napoleon Hill the Great. O Divine Providence, I ask not more riches, but more wisdom to make the wiser use of the intelligence you bless us at the time of our birth in the form of our mind, to control and direct towards attainment whatever is the ends and definite purpose of our life, without hurting and harming other interests, beloved friends. That is also taught in our Vedic way, that is called Gayatri Mantra, where we are really praying the Lord to stimulate our intelligence, knowing that we ourselves are the maker of ourselves. We are the master of our fate, and we are alone the captain of our soul. By virtue of the thought we choose and encourage, our mind is the master beaver, both to the outer garment of circumstances and inner garment of ourself. We have been, of course, wasting a lot of time in stress, strain, depression, discouragement. Fear and doubt has been surrounding us. Sometimes we lose interest in living our life. But yoga teaches you, no, don't be disappointed. Don't be discouraged. Life is not your wish. It came to you without any planning, and it will go one day without any indication or any kind of message coming from anywhere else. So as long as you are living, take full possession of your body. Make it very, very strong, rock solid. And then simultaneously concentrate on developing the wisdom, that is knowing exactly the way of life, what yoga tells in length and beautifully says. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thought, and with our thought we are making the world, beloved friends. So take full possession of your mind. What Patanjali wrote in his 195 aphorism, verses, or you can say sloka. The second one is Yoga Chittavritti Nirodha. Means yoga is the ability and the capacity which you get by meditation, concentration and contemplation to really stop the drifting nature of your mind. The mind should not be an evil and devil because it should not dictate you. Your intelligence and wisdom, which is guided by absolute knowledge, how to behave, really can control of your mind, and then you know exactly the right way what Buddha taught. Right intention, right views, right speech, right action, right means of livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness. And what Patanjali said, yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dhyana, dhyana and samadhi. So this yogi, Virendra Yogi, has been trying to master these fundamentals, and as I am dedicated, committed to serve the mankind, be with me. As Jesus said, come to me. I give you peace, joy, harmony, happiness, tranquility. So said Buddha. So you say to yourself, you yourself are the maker of yourself. Nothing can give you peace of mind but you yourself. By taking full possession of your mind, controlling and directing towards whatever is the definite purpose of your life. And remember it, you will be what you will to be. Let failure find its false content in the poor world called environment, but its spirit is constant and is free. It masters times, it conquers space, it calls the boastful trickster chance. The human will that forces unseen, the offspring of a deathless soul, can heave away to any goal, the walls of granite intervene. Be not impatient, delay, but wait. And as one who understands, when his spirit rises and commands, gods are ready to obey. Gods means the supernatural forces of the universe. The absolute law of cause and effect. Everything is by cause. There is a definite reason for it. There has been a definite effort for it. And the result is just the outcome of your effort, directly proportional. The strength of your effort is the measure of your result. Sowing and reaping in the law of compensation. Beloved friends, be wise. Become physically very strong. Mentally very sound. Purify your mind. Eliminate all the negative mental attitude. Fill with positive mental attitude. And there is one way, the yoga way, which is Yogi, Virendra Yogi, is dedicated, committed. That has become the whole purpose of my life. Thank you very much. Follow non-violence, truthfulness, non-stealing, absolute control of your sexual urge. Be not possessive. Beloved friends, also purify your mind, body, heart and soul. Be contented. Persevere, persist, work very hard, go extra mile. Always believe and trust the absolute infinite intelligence which is controlling and governing the entire universe. That law is undeviating. It is unperturbed, undisturbed, never tempered. Surrender to the power of nature. And that is the teaching of yoga. Yoga teaches you are an integral part of the entire universe. Every species has emerged from that universal strength, universal intelligence, universal body. Beloved friends, align yourself along the forces of the nature. Nature will really nourish you with its beautiful oxygen. Nature will provide you plenty of water, plenty of fruits, vegetables, but be not killers, don't eat dead bodies. That is called non-vegetarian. You have to live in harmony with every species. Love everyone, care for everyone. All birds, beasts, animals, and plants, they are just our own manifestation. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And thank you very much. Be strong physically, mentally and spiritually. There is the forces which is with you. If you are divine, if you are spiritual. Thank you very much for watching.